Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video, we are bringing you a problem based on quadratic equations. The question says, check whether the value of k is equal to 25 by 4 gives the equation 2x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0 real roots. Usually, you meet with the problem of something like this. Find the value of k for which the equation 2x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0 has real roots. This is how your question is asked regularly. Here the question is a little different. Check whether the value of k is equal to 25 by 4 gives the equation 2x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0 real roots. That means whether k equal to 25 by 4 produces two roots of 2x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0, which are real roots. I remind you, in order to find what kind of roots are there and which are the roots and how to find the value of k, this is all dependent on the value of the discriminant of the given equation. Therefore, we shall now find solution based on finding the discriminant. First, we'll compare the given equation. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, we write a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to k. When we have these values, discriminant d can be calculated. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is equal to b square is minus 5 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is k. Well, this is equal to 25 minus 8k. Delta value, that is discriminant value, has come to be 25 minus 8k. If the roots are to be real, our condition is if the roots are real, then we have d must be greater than or equal to 0. D must be greater than or equal to 0. This is the condition which you use it regularly. That means 25 minus 8k is greater than or equal to 0. This means 25 is greater than or equal to minus 8k becomes plus 8k, and this implies 8k is less than or equal to 25. 25 is greater than or equal to 8k, therefore inequality 8k is less than or equal to 25. This gives me k is less than or equal to 25 by 8. K value less than 25 by 8 or equal to 25 by 8 will produce the roots to be real. What is our question? Now we'll go back to the question. Our question says, check whether the value of k 25 by 4 is the value of k for which 2x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0 produces real roots. 25 by 4. Actually, what is the set of our value of k now? The set of value of k, I'll write for your convenience to understand. Set of values of k is equal to k belongs to real numbers such that k is less than or equal to 25 by 8. But we are given to test whether k is equal to 25 by 4 can give this equation real roots. 25 by 4, I write 25 by 4 is greater than 25 by 8. That is this value, 25 by 8. 25 by 4, this is given value. Given value is greater than 25 by 8. But k values must be less than or equal to 25 by 8. Therefore, 25 by 4 which is equal to k will not produce, will not give real roots of 2x square minus 5x plus k equal to 0. This is how you need to test it. Dear students, if you have not yet subscribed to our video channel, please subscribe Kota Maths Lab video tutorials to receive regularly videos on various mathematical concepts. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support.